Good morning, class 11. In accountancy class, today's our topic is depreciation. Depreciation by written down value method. So, written down value method means when the depreciation is to be provided on the balance amount by the fixed percentage. That will be known as the written down value method. So, today's our question is numerical number 10. Example number 10, and the statement of example number 10 is Rohini Cement Limited purchased on 1st April 2015 a plant of 80,000. On 1st July 2016, it purchased additional plant costing rupees 48,000, and on December 2017, the first plant was sold for rupees 42,000, and same date a fresh plant is to be purchased. So depreciation is provided by the rate of 10% per annum on diminishing balance method, and accounts are closed on 31st March. We have to maintain the plant account for 3 years, and IGST is provided on the machinery by the rate of 12%. So when we maintain the plant account or machinery account, then GST will be ignored. So for 3 years plant account, first of all the amount of plant account is date, particulars, amount in the left hand side, and date, particulars, amount in the right hand side. So first of all, company purchased plant on 1st April 2015 with the rate of rupees 80,000. So purchase will be entered in the debit side of plant account, April 1 to bank account 80,000. Then there is no other information regarding up to 31st March 2016. So simply we have to provide a depreciation on it when the accounts of first year is closed. So accounts of first year is closed on 31st March 2016. Then by depreciation account, 10% of 80,000, 8,000. Then we have to find out the balance. By balance carried down, 80,000 minus 8,000, 72,000, and the accounts are closed with the amount of rupees 80,000. Then the balance of first year is forward to the second year, 2016, April 1, to balance brought down 72,000. Then in July 1, 2016, company purchased another plant with rupees 48,000. Then we enter the purchase in the debit side, July 1 to bank account 48,000. Then at the end of the second year, when the accounts are closed, second year accounts are closed on 31st March 2017. So on 31st March, depreciation will be provided on both of the machinery by the rate of 10% per annum, diminishing balance method. It means now depreciation is provided on the balances. So on 31st March by depreciation account, balance of first machine 72,000. Then 10% of 72,000, the depreciation on first machine 7,200. And the second machine is purchased on July 1. So the depreciation will be provided on second machine from July to 31st March. So July to 31st March, 9 month depreciation will be provided on the second plant. And the value of second plant is 48,000 into 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. So the depreciation on second plant is 3,600, and the total depreciation 10,800. Then we can find out the balances in the second year. By balance carried down, balance of first plant 72,000 minus 7,200, 64,800, and the balance of second plant 48,000 minus 3,600, 44,400, and the total balances is 1,09,200. Accounts of second year is closed with the amount of rupees 1,20,000. Then the balance of second year is forward to the beginning of third year. Beginning of third year is April 1, 2017. So in the April 1, 2017, the balances of two plants are balance of first plant 64,800, balance of second plant 44,400, and the total balance is 1,09,200. Now here is an information in the year 2017, and the statement says that on December 1, 2017, the first plant is sold for rupees 42,000. So sale will be entered in the credit side of plant account. December 1 by bank account 42,000. और दिसंबर 1 को फर्स्ट प्लांट सेल किया तो अप्रैल से लेके दिसंबर तक इस फर्स्ट प्लांट के ऊपर जो हमने सेल किया है डेप्रिसिएशन भी लगाएंगे. So from April to December, 8 month depreciation will be provided on the balance, and the balance of first machine is 64,800. So 10% of 64,800 into 8 by 12. 8 month की डेप्रिसिएशन लगाएंगे क्योंकि अप्रैल से लेके दिसंबर तक फर्स्ट प्लांट यूज हुआ एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑन दिसंबर 1 द प्लांट इज सोल्ड. सो अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर 8 month depreciation will be calculated on it. So the amount is 4,320. Sale amount 42,000, depreciation amount 43,000, 4,320. Now we have to find out the profit and loss. The present value of the machinery is 64,800 and it is sold with 42,000 plus 4,320 depreciation. So the total sale value is 45,520 and deducted from the present value. So the loss on sale of machine is 18,400 shown in the credit side of plant account. December 1 by loss on sale of plant 18,400. अब हमारी फर्स्ट प्लांट का सेटलमेंट हो गया. अब हमारे पास बचे हैं 2 प्लांट्स. एक जिसका बैलेंस हमारे पास चला है 44,400 एंड सेकेंडली जो हमने दिसंबर 1 को एक और प्लांट भी बाय किया है, राइट. तो परचेज को डेबिट में एंटर करेंगे दिसंबर 1 टू बैंक अकाउंट 75,000. अब इन दोनों प्लांट के ऊपर सेकंड प्लांट एंड थर्ड प्लांट के ऊपर हम डेप्रिसिएशन लगाएंगे मार्च 31 को बाय डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट. सेकंड प्लांट के ऊपर बैलेंस का 10%, 44,400 का 10%, 4,440 and the plant which are purchased on December 1. So the depreciation will be provided for 4 months: December, January, February and March. So 75,000 into 10 by 100 into 4 by 12. The depreciation on third plant is 2,500. Total depreciation 6,940. Now we have to find out the balance at time March 31st. By balance carried down 44,400 minus 4,440, 39,960. And the second is 75,000 minus 2,500, 72,500 and the total balance 1,12,460 and the accounts of third year is closed with 1,84,200 and balance will be forward to the next year. So students, this was the plant account of question number 10 by diminishing balance method. Now you have to complete your back exercise questions up to question number 10. Thank you.